how to create different visualizations, right? Different visualizations. Like we started with matrix, how we can go and we can create the matrices. We're aware of it now. And we know how to create the 100 percentage stacked bar chart we created. And also we created a slicer we created. And we understand how the slicer is impacting all the visualizations which are available inside the page. If you want to control which visualization need to impact by slicer, which is not impacted by slicer, we have the option called as edit interaction option is available. We used edit interaction option and we controlled it. And if you want to impact the slicer, the pages, the other pages, then we can able to use sync slicer, we can able to use it. There is a using this one, the main page may be located slicer that is going to impact all the pages or whatever required pages we can able to control it. Then I given homework yesterday, create the relationship report as well as create the trend report as well as create the rank report. These three things I gave as a access to people. I think you might have completed. If not today, try to complete it. Today we'll go and try to discuss about hierarchy and the importance of the hierarchy, how to create the hierarchy, what you mean by drill down capability, drill up capability. Okay, those things are going to know about it. Now, hierarchy is nothing but hierarchy is nothing but we have, let us say, our world map. You take it. You take our world map. Okay, in our world map, or I can say geography. If you take it, the geography. If you take it, we have the world. In the world, you may have, let us say, if we divide that world, if we divide that world, first people are dividing that into the regions. Okay, regions, like we have the epic, that is Asia Pacific things, then EMEA, then something like this. People are going to divide into different categories. They're trying to divide it. Now, in each category again, we have next level is, what is the next level available? Next level is available countries. For example, under this one, we have one of the country called as what? India. Now, under India, we have states are available, different states are there. Present I located in Telangana state, TS, and we have the AP, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, we have the Delhi, that is a main thing in our India. Now, like this, a number of states are available. In each state, you may have again districts are available. In each state, you may have districts are available. One of the district, okay, I have is, let's say, Nalgonda. That's where I belongs to actually, something like that. And we have the next one is mandals and villages like that. This is the one kind of hierarchy. This is one kind of hierarchy. World is divided into what? Different regions, APEC, EMEA, like that. Then each region has countries. The country has states. States has districts. Further, you may want to go, you can go for it. So this is I'm trying to say as a regions. Okay, this is I can say as a what is this? Countries.
Country.
And this is we are trying to say as a
State.
states. Okay, and this is we are saying as a
District.
districts. We are going to have it here. So something like that. This is called as one hierarchy. This hierarchy is a geography hierarchy. Geography hierarchy. Geography hierarchy. Now, similarly, any dimension table you take it. For example, you take the time hierarchy. If you try to take it, we have the next one is, let's say, time hierarchy. Okay, time hierarchy. If you go and try to create it, time hierarchy. If you go and try to create it, for example, you may have here year. Okay, then under the year you may have here
Month.
quarters.
Oh, quarter.
Quarters. Under the quarters you may have here months. Under the month you may have here days. You may have, this is a standard hierarchy we are going to create it. Okay, now similar to that one, if you take in any other dimension, maybe product kind of thing, to take the product kind of thing, the product also may have its own hierarchy. For example, we have the category. In our case category is available. Under the category we have here segment is available. Under the segment we have here product name is available. Like that, we have any hierarchy you take it that has its own levels are available. Its own levels are available. This is called as geography hierarchy, this is called as time hierarchy, this is called as product hierarchy, something like that. And who will be guiding you? Hey man, I want this is what the hierarchies are available. Who will be guiding you? There should be surely someone will be there to guide you. If no one, then you have to study the data and you have to do it. Most of the cases we have BA stands for business analyst. BA stands for business analyst. That guy may have the information. Or we have the PO. PO stands for product owner.
Product owner.
Product owner. These people surely will have the information. Okay, this dimension is time hierarchy. For time hierarchy, I am expecting these are the levels I am expecting, like that they will provide you information. If they did not provide that information, then you have to go and out, you have to observe the data and you have to understand which is the top level, and that children's are who, like that we have to observe it. Okay, based on the data we have to go on, you have to come up with the one hierarchy you have to come up with. Okay, now we have hierarchy. Let us say we have the hierarchy requirement. How to create the hierarchy? If you're not creating the hierarchy, what will happen? Those things we need to know about it. To know those things, let us go and try to open our Power BI desktop first. I'm opening Power BI desktop and let it open. So without hierarchy, we cannot do the drill down and drill up. We cannot do it. Of course, in case of matrix environment, we are able to do it because under the same rows, we taken two or more columns. At that moment, it's possible. But other cases, any other things you take like table or other pie chart, this kind of things, if that is not there, hierarchy is not there, drilling down, drilling up will be, it's not that convenient. Okay, right. Let us go and try to. We are creating a hierarchy majorly for the purpose of drill down and drill up purpose only. We are creating it. Without creating a hierarchy, can you drill down from category to segment, segment to product? Means answer is no. We cannot do that one. Okay, if you have the hierarchy, we can able to do it. Now we are trying to develop a report total sales by category. In this case, we did not take in any hierarchy. We did not take in. So directly only category column we taken, then we are observing how the relation will be there. We are not seeing any drill down, drill up options. We are not seeing it. That's what the screen I am showing it. Once we create your product hierarchy, we are creating the hierarchy. We are creating something like this: category children is segment children is product. Like that, three levels we created under the product hierarchy. If you have this kind of hierarchy, then you can able to drill down, drill up. These all four properties are possible. We need to understand what you mean by these four properties. We need to understand. Okay, let us go and try to do this one. I'm going for Power BI desktop. Then I'm trying to open previously available files. I'm trying to open. So I have here, okay, lab 2 copy. I will take it. Browse the reports. Then you might be downloaded something. This PC C drive. Oh, no, no, not C drive. In my case, where it is available, E drive. I think E drive. Then I kept here work. Then where I kept RRA Tech. Then Power BI. Then we have the lab data. Then lab 2. Then I am trying to take care lab 2 starting or final I am taking because we are doing the lab 3 Power BI we are doing it. So lab 2 final is the input for the this one. Okay, now lab 2 final I taken. Then in the lab 2 final, you can notice here right side, I have the date and products. Those things are available, and looks like product hierarchy is already available. I can go and I can delete that one. Whatever product hierarchy is available, delete from the model. In previous batches, I might be created and I saved it, so I deleted that one. A product hierarchy I'm deleting. I deleted. Now you can notice there is no product hierarchy available. I'm closing this page. Let me close this page. And okay, this page also not needed for me. I can go and I can remove this. Okay, now it is a empty, nothing is available inside this. Now, if I develop a report by saying the category column and by saying the total sales column, category column, and let us take the total sales, which is nothing but revenue. Then these two columns I am taking, then I am trying to observe this as a pie chart or whatever it is I am observing. I am trying to right click on this pie chart. Are you seeing any option called as drill down or drill up options? Are you seeing
No.
any option drill down or drill up? No.
No.
Why we are not seeing is because there is no hierarchy available. There is no hierarchy available on the product, as there is no hierarchy available on the product. That's what we are not seeing it. Now go ahead and try to create the product hierarchy. To create the product hierarchy, all you have to do is select any one column. Generally, we select the parent column, big guy. Okay, in our case, the big guy is category is the big guy. How you'll be understanding this, which is the big is, you need to understand the data perfectly. I mean to say, understanding the data perfectly is go and try to select the columns and see the relation where one to many relation is available. Where one to many relation is available. Now you see one category has many segments or not. One category has many segments or not. You can observe. We can observe one of the thing. Mixed category has how many segments? Two segments.
Segment.
Okay, rural is the category, we have two segments. Urban is the category, we have three segments, three or four segments.
Four segments.
Youth case only one is available, that's okay. But between these two things I can say now what type of relation we have it. One to
One to many.
many relation is available. So wherever one is available, wherever wherever one is available, that one is generally parent, and wherever many is available, that is generally children, something like that. So category is the first guy, then segment, then product. That's how we can able to see the data, understand it, and decide who is the parent, who is the child, something like that. Most of the cases, your business analyst or product owner is going to inform you, hey, category is the first level, segment is the second level, product is the third level, like that. Someone will be informing to you. If no one is informed to you, then you have to understand the data and you have to decide which is the level one, which is the level two, which is the level three. You have to decide. Okay, I think we are good enough. We understand that point. Now go and try to create here. I know now category is the big column. So category three dots, whatever available. If you click on the three dots, you can notice one of the option is available, create hierarchy option. If you click on the create, then immediately we are getting here one object that is known as category hierarchy object. We are getting it. The category hierarchy, if you expand it, the category hierarchy, if you expand it, we are seeing the category column. The category hierarchy, whatever available, the name is not looking great. So select again three dots. There is an option called as rename. Click on the rename. Then provide here the proper name you provide it. In place of the category, I am changing that as a product hierarchy. So I am changing that as a product hierarchy. Wow, beautiful. Inside our product hierarchy now, how many levels are available at this point of time? Inside our product hierarchy, how many levels are available at this point of time? Inside our product hierarchy, how many levels are available? Only one level is available. Under category, I want to keep segment. Then select here segment, three dots. Select the segment, three dots. There is an option called as add to hierarchy. Which hierarchy you want to add? Product hierarchy you want to add. Select this product hierarchy. Then the segment will go and try to sit under the category it is going to sit. That means level one is category. Now level two is segment. Then similarly, I want the product. Here we have the product. Product I want to make as a third level. Go and try to click on here, add hierarchy, then product hierarchy. Now we can observe we have here three levels are available inside my product hierarchy. Inside my product hierarchy, we have now three levels are available. So this is the level one. This is the level one. Level one, and this is the level two. We have next one segment. Segment is what? Level two. Segment is a level two. level 2. And next one we have here, third one, product is called as now level 3. Product is called as
Level 3.
level 3. So three levels we created. You have a number of levels based on your dimension table. That number of levels will be changes. Suppose previously I gave one example here, geography level. Here I can say this is the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. How many levels are there here? Four levels. Here also in the time hierarchy, total how many levels are there? Year one level, quarter, month, days. Four levels are available. So you may have sometimes more, even 8 levels, 9 levels, 10 levels also may be available. But very hard to see more than 10 levels. Okay, I did not see anything which is more than 10 levels. More than 10 levels. Most of the cases will be below 10 levels, only it will be adjusted. Okay, only one case we go employee hierarchy. For example, you take the service based companies, not the product based companies. I'm talking about the service based companies, like, okay, take the TCS or CTS, something like these service based companies. If you take it, these people are having the I can say maybe half million of employees are maybe available. Half million employees are available in one company if you take it, right? Okay, half million employees to control, they need to create so many hierarchies, they need to create it. Okay, one of the company I worked, let us say CTS I worked, there they have minimum hierarchy, minimum level to maximum level I want to go. So PAT is the minimum level, then they have the PA, then they have the A, then they have the SA, then they have the APM. I think they removed recently APM, but still when I was there, that is there. PM, then they have the SM, then they have the AD, then they have the D, then they have the SD, then they have the AVP, then they have the VP, then they have the SVP, something like that. So many hierarchies are there. Here, PAT meaning programmer analyst training. Programmer analyst training. Okay. Now, next we have here PA, that is programmer analyst. PA stands for programmer analyst. So this is also very important. If you're putting some kind of experience, so and so company, you need to know what are the roles are available, what are the designations are available in that company. You need to know about it. Otherwise, it is a bit difficult to handle the interview. Okay. So senior associate, it is a associate project manager, assistant project manager, whatever you can call it as project manager, something like this. So many levels you may have it. I written here bottom to top, I written. So if I say more hierarchies are possible in case of employee hierarchy, more levels are possible, but remaining all dimensions, most of the cases 3 levels, 4 levels, 5 levels, 6 levels only possible. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now I think we are good enough. We understand how to create the product hierarchy. We understand. Now, using this product hierarchy, if I create a graph, how it will be happens. Suppose I'm taking the product hierarchy. So the product hierarchy entirely is selected. Then I want to show this as one visualization called as, let's say, pie chart I want to show. Now we got here pie. Then we want to show this as a revenue wise. Let us go and try to take as a revenue. Now we have here pie chart. This is what the pie chart we have it. And this pie chart as now levels wise, you can notice all the levels I take an entire hierarchy, I dragged it. Even though entire hierarchy I dragged it, is it showing all the three things or is showing top level, whatever available, that level of data? It's showing urban, it's showing rural, mixed youth. Urban, rural, mixed youth are belongs to what columns data? We already aware of it. What columns data?
Category.
Yeah, category corresponding data. That means we are by default, even though we take in hierarchy, entire hierarchy we dragged here, it is not showing all the things, is not showing, it's showing only top level is showing it. Suppose I want to navigate to the next level, from this data, urban as how many levels are there? Urban as conveniency, extreme, moderation, then regular. These are the four levels are available. I want to see those four levels. Let us say right click on the urban, then you can notice here there is an option called as drill down. If I click on the drill down, urban corresponding the four levels, whatever available, those things we are seeing it. Now you can notice moderation, regular, extreme, then conveniency, we are able to see it. Now, under the modernization, what are the products are available you are interested? Then you can go on, you can drill down. Now you can notice one more option also available that is called as drill up is available. Okay, drill up meaning if you want to go to the modernization parent, who is the modernization parent? Who is the moderation parent? Urban, right? So urban it will go. If you click on the drill up, it will go to the urban again. If you see here, urban, we got it. Now, if you click on the drill down, it will go to the that corresponding segments. We are going to get it. If you click on the moderation drill down, we are going to get here product level information. We are able to get it. That meaning we are able to do the drill down, drill up as per this hierarchy. We are able to do it as per this hierarchy. We are able to do it. Now, okay, I want to go up totally. Let's say right click here, click on the drill up. Why drill down is option is not available? Why drill down option is not available? We already came till bottom of the level, right? We already came till bottom of the level product. After product, do I have any level? After product, do I have any level? No,
No.
we don't have. That is the reason drill down option is not available. If you click on the drill up, then we're able to see segment level. At this level, we have the parent as well as child. That is the reason drill down and drill up both are available. Now further, I want to go for drill up only so that I will see the category level of information. This is the category level of information. Now, few options, other things are available here. There is a right side corner. We see one button that is called as drill down button is enabled. Enabled is there. Now, if I select this button, drill down, if you click on this, click on turn on drill down. If you select this, then it's showing as one kind of black color we are seeing it. Now, if you click on this one, previously we are doing right click and we are doing right. Now, there is no need to right click. There is no need to right click. Simply go here and click it. The moment you click it, automatically it's doing what? Drill down. Based on the click, you want to go to the bottom level. Based on the click, if you want to go to the bottom level, then you need to click this spot. Then this will become in the gray color, black color. If it is there in the black color, if you click on this one, automatically it go into where? Down. Sometimes people will be expecting, if you click on this, then I want the next level, something like that. If that is a requirement, we have to enable this. We have to enable this, then we'll go to the next level. Am I clear? Now, here right side, we have three buttons are available. We need to understand what these three buttons are. Okay, for better understanding, this one I am trying to convert into the some table. I am converting. Let it convert. Okay, now I am in the table. So you can see all the three levels you are seeing. Okay, now let me go to the not table. Let me go to the bar chart kind of thing so that you'll be able to understand much better. Okay, this is the bar chart kind of thing. We are seeing it. Now I'm going here up. I'm going here up. Totally at the level of category level I went. Now I want you to understand what is the difference between these two vertical lines and horizontal line followed by two vertical lines. What is the difference between these two buttons you need to understand. I think we already explained one time, but still we'll go for one more time. If you click on these two vertical lines, what will happen? Will the parent information is maintained or not maintained? Let us say I am trying to click on here two vertical lines. I am clicking two vertical lines. Before clicking two vertical lines, I will make you to understand the data. I am going here. Guys, please go on mute. It's a lot of noise. Now we have the revenue here. One problem is here. You see carefully. You see carefully. I have the productivity is the segment that is available in two places. It is available. This is the productivity. And same productivity also available under the category called as rural category also we have it, right? Now productivity is available under which how many categories? Under the mixed category, we have the productivity. Under rural category also, we have the productivity. Under mixed category, we have the productivity. Under rural category also, we have the productivity. Now my problem is, if I go to here, if I try to simply go to the next level, then it is giving here productivity is equal to, I think 603 millions, right? 603 millions it is giving. Out of the 603 millions, how much is for the mixed productivity? Uh, how much is for the rural productivity? We don't know information, right? By seeing this graph, are able to tell out of this 603 millions revenue, how much is from the mixed category productivity, how much is from the rural category productivity? Are you able to differentiate here? Are you able to differentiate here?
No.
No, that's what the parent level information we are missing here. Parent level information are missing. Here parent level is called as category. Mix and urban is sorry, mix and rural is the parent level. I want to maintain that also. If you want to maintain that, let me go one step up. Now this time I'll use this one. This time I'll use this button. That is one horizontal line followed by two vertical lines. If I use this one, we are going to get here productivity, two bars we got it. Mixed productivity separately we got it. And rural productivity separately we got it. Now we are able to clearly understand each category wise what is the productivity we are able to understand, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you want to maintain parent information, you don't want to lose the parent information, then use this button. Okay, parent information you are not interested. Directly I want to go and I want to see the child level, then use this button. Okay, not interested. Okay, parent information, parent info, not required, not required. Then go for that option. Parent info is required, parent info is required, then go for this option. Parent and child informations required, then we need to go for this option. Am I clear?
Yes.
Now, so these are the four options what you need to know as part of the chapter. Now, by this time, you will be matured enough to understand what you mean by drill down, what you mean by drill up, show next level, directly go to the next level. That's it. Expand next level means what? Parent information will be retained, and also we are going to show the child level. Parent information will be shown as well as child information also will be shown. Technical words is this is called as what? Expand to next level. This is what? Directly show the next level. Directly show the next level. I think you are able to understand this meaning. Now, with this, I'm good with the drill down. Moving from high level data to low level data is called as drill down. Maybe year to half year to quarter, quarter to month, month to day, like that. That is called as drill down. Drill up is nothing but doing the reverse. That is day level to month level to quarter, moving like this is called as drill up. And showing the next level is called as rolls data to the next level irrespective of category. That is reason productivity just rolled up. Okay, in this one we don't know how much is from the urban, sorry, how much is from the rural, how much is from the mix. We don't have any clues here. Now expand to next level means we are going to maintain parent information as well as child information, rural productivity, mixed productivity, both we are showing it. This is what the chapter what you need to understand. Hierarchy chapter. Any questions? If no, then we can say this is completed.